Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I like to focus on indie brands and affordable drugstore makeup. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And today's video is going to be on the Norns eyeshadow palette by Oden's Eye. And here's the inside of this palette. This palette was actually re-released. When it first came out, it had these circular pans, and then I think they did it, redid this one with, obviously, their new formula and the new pan shapes. So, this is a beautiful palette. I've been doing, like, all the blue, green, purple looks, so today we're going to do something a little different, and let's go ahead and get started. So I want to start with this shade Mist, which is this really cute, like, purplish shade right here. And I promise this look is not going to turn out like purple or blue or green. Because that's what I don't know, that's just what I've been doing lately. But that's, you know, what I'm mostly drawn to. But I do want to change it up just a little bit. Even though this palette does have some gorgeous, like, blue, green shades. This is just a really, really pretty palette. I actually thought it was, like, a new one when I first, you know, saw it. But then as I was, like, clicking through the website, I realized that they did have one that was, like, in the circular, or they used to have one that was in the circular pans. So, a little, just like chit chat here. I finally got to see my BFF for the first time in forever last night. And it was just good to get out and just have some girl time. Like, I definitely needed that. Like, I either go places, like, by myself or, you know, sometimes, you know, with my mom, or, like, with my husband. But other than that, like, I don't know, I don't really get out, don't do much, and if I do, you know, I don't know, it's just good to get out with, you know, with, like, your best friend and just have some girl time and just girl talk and just get out and do things. It was just, I don't know, like, I feel like a new woman. I wish that was something that I could do more, so, but, like, I know she's really busy and has a lot going on, but maybe, you know, I think we're gonna try and see each other again, like, before my birthday, which is in, like, a month, so that'll be fun. Okay, so I normally would go in with, like, another matte shade, but I'm just kind of really wanting to get in with the shimmers. They're just absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of glitter glue, put that down on the lid. And we were, like, looking for, like, Halloween decorations, and, like, there just weren't a whole lot out. It's crazy because I see on TikTok, like, everyone's, because, like, I love Halloween, love fall, spooky vibes. Y'all know if you've been here for a minute, like, I love that. But I don't know if it's just, like, because we live, like, in the Midwest, but there was, like, nothing there. And I mean, there were, like, a couple, you know, but not, like, what I see people post online, and I'm like, but at the same time, like, it seems like for, like, makeup and stuff, like, our stores around here, like, it will be months before we get, like, new releases and stuff out, which really sucks because I would love to kind of do more affordable drugstore stuff, but it's like I can't get a hold of it, and some stuff I like to see in person before I buy it. So yeah, just, I don't know, we live in a weird area. Like, that's one thing that, like, we were talking about, like, there's not much here. All the stores close at, like, 8, 9 o'clock, like, maybe Target might be open until 10. Like, we were, like, driving around and we're like, man, like, what can we do? Like, where can we go? And we finally discovered that Freddy's was open, so we went there, like, for, like, at like 10 o'clock. But yeah, like most things close so early here, and it's like there's just not a lot to do, which does suck, let me tell you. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous shade Passion right here. Like that is such a pretty deep red shimmer shade. I just think that would look beautiful on the eyes, especially because I'm doing something different than my usual like blue, green, purple. But one of the things like my best friend said was like she had just gotten back from like a trip to the Northeast, and she's like, yeah, there was like this cute little diner that was like open till like 1 a.m. It was right down the street from our hotel. It was amazing. And I'm like, why can't we have cool things like that here, you know? It's just, I just live in a strange town. Like basically the only thing we can get is like Starbucks and bars. Like that's about it. Which, like, I don't drink, so the bars do me no good. And I'm not even really, like, I don't really drink coffee either. So Starbucks does me no good, you know? Okay, this is really pretty. That is, like, such a beautiful shade. Okay, I'm wanting to go in with a gold just to pair with that red. I just feel like that would be pretty. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, Amber Palace. It's right there. Can you see the, it's like a striped lines through it shade. Marbled, that's probably what I'm looking for. That is really pretty. I feel like that would go good with that red shade. It is so hard to get these deep dark colors off of the brush. And I'm feeling like a hair. Like right in here somewhere. Like I can't see it, but I can feel it. Oh, that tickle, that feeling, you guys, y'all know. You know, it drives you crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go into that shade Amber Palace. And just put that on the inner portion of the eye. And lightly blend it in with the red. Okay, the shimmer in this shade is so good. That's really cool. It's like gold then turning into like orange and then into the red. That is really pretty. Okay. I like that. That was a good choice. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Pragmatism, which is right there. And then for that lower inner corner highlight, I think we're gonna go in with this orange shade Glamour right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the other eye the same way. Put down that glitter glue. And then again, first starting off going in with that beautiful red shade Passion right there. I just can't get over how beautiful this red shade is. Like, it is just absolutely gorgeous. I think this would look really, really, really cool paired with like a black shade as well. That red. So pretty. Okay, now we're going to go in with that really pretty gold shade Amber Palace, which is right here. It's just so, so pretty. I love, love, love the shimmers, you guys. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do that lower lash line. So again, starting with that shade Pragmatism, which is right here. And for that lower inner corner highlight, we're going to go in with that pretty orange shade Glamour, which is right there. Alright, so I'm going to go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. And yeah, loving that gold to like orange to the red transition. Just fun. Definitely something different than what I've usually been doing. So hopefully you guys like that. I know a lot of you said like you really like the blues, the purples, the greens. So hopefully this is okay. I know it's a little different, but I am loving the way that the look turned out. And again, this was the Oden's Eye Norns eyeshadow palette. And here's the inside. And yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful palette. I do want to use this palette again. Like, y'all know, like, those blue green shades and this palette are calling me. So I do want to use it again. But yeah, you guys. So that is it for today. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I just hope that you remember that you're loved, you're amazing. Please have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.